Greetings and salutation, YouTube. My name is Caitlin. Welcome to Ouroboros Armory. It's been a while, hasn't it? Yeah. So here's the thing. I'm a teacher full-time, and this year is almost as stressful as last year, maybe more so. And because of that, I haven't had a whole lot of energy when I get done with work to come out here to the shop and do the things that I want to do in the shop and film them. So I made a couple YouTube shorts. Hopefully you guys have seen that, but full-fledged edited videos, I haven't had the time or the energy to do so. I've been wanting to spend it with my family. I've been wanting to spend it on things that are fun. And while I find the working process fun and I find the sharing process fun, I do not like the editing process at all. So this video is also going to be unedited and unscripted. So congratulations, all the flubs happened in real time. So that's the reason why I haven't seen any full-fledged edited videos. That doesn't mean that nothing's been going on. I have made some huge improvements out here in my shop. One of which is right now you are sitting on one of the biggest ones, and that is a milling machine combo lathe. In a bit, I'm going to take you guys around and show you it. It's a royal mess because I've been making a lot of improvements. I now have electrical wires. You can see them right here. I have an electrical outlet here. And what that does is that eliminates a lot of the extension cords that were running back and forth through the shop. And I didn't like that, and it was rather dangerous. So that's one of the other upgrades that I had. I built a full-fledged door. I don't even know if I filmed that or not, or if I posted that. I think I posted it on my Instagram. And it is made out of 100-year-old reclaimed wood planks. It's a beautiful, beautiful door. And it's, again, it's so much energy to do the projects and not a lot of energy to film them. And I have to get this shop in a really decent order, as I may have something upcoming that I have to have my shop in really good working order to be able to build. And unfortunately, I don't want to have to do that in a haphazard shop. So I have prioritized all of the shop upgrades that I have been pushing back and saying I'll get to it. I've been prioritizing those to make sure that they are done. I am in process of relocating my grinder to a more permanent position. I have this beautiful cast iron table that it's on. And again, all of this I'm going to take you guys through towards the end of this video to show it to you. And the mess, because the mess hasn't been cleaned up. The Sandtown's Bowie build, which unfortunately I was not able to complete. This is the handle for it, okay? And I just got done forging a little bit on it, mostly to warm up the shop because I had to turn the forge on anyway, because there's no heater in the shop and there's no insulation in the shop, and it's cold outside. There is like snow. Like I'm home because school got canceled. It's a snow day, so yeah. So hooray snow days. Yeah, so one of the reasons why I'm in the shop is that I want to remount my grinder to its hopefully permanent location. But as it is the new year, I kind of wanted to do the typical YouTube update video, Happy New Year video, and kind of let you know where things are going. The biggest thing is I plan on doing some live streams. I have mounted this camera mount so that I can do live streams relatively easily, and I'm working on getting this camera all set up. I can't afford a brand new digital SLR, so I am working on one using a Raspberry Pi high definition camera. Did I mention my other hobbies are electronics and drones? Which is where a lot of my other energy has been going. I have been wanting to de-stress, and with my son around, you guys have met him in some of my other videos, I can't really get out to the shop with him, and when school is out, when my school's out, when my job's out, he's also out of school. So I have to watch him, and while sometimes I can get into the forge, he doesn't take naps anymore. And that's what I used to do when he was really young, is I'd put him down for a nap, I'd set the baby monitor in the forge, and I'd start forging while he was sleeping. No naps. So when he's home, I can't forge, but I can work on electronics. So I've been building drones, I've been flying drones, and I've been working on electronics and Raspberry Pi. So that's where it's been. So with that, let me go ahead and show you guys around here. Yeah. Sorry about that abruptness. You were hooked on via magnets. So see these, those magnets, that's where you're hooked on. So this is my combo lathe mill. Recent addition to the shop. I literally just got it wired in for electronics, I want to say 2 weeks ago. I have yet to use it in its current location, although it spent its previous life at a friend's house, and I have actually used this exact machine at his house. So yeah, recent acquisition. All right, we're gonna come over here. And this is the reclaimed wood door. So, seeing if I have one around. Sorry about that. So it's made out of these. Wow, see, that just tells you how cold it is. That is frost off of my floor. But these are oak flooring. They were pulled out of a 100-year-old house. And so what I did was I made them into a nice little slidey door. So this door slides. I don't want to slide it too much because it's cold outside. And this is the other edition. This is what I'm working on today. This is the grinder. You've seen the build, or at least you've seen me show it off. I haven't really got a chance to use it because it was on a rolly cart and it wasn't really all that terribly stable. So now I have a solid, I want to say mahogany. I honestly have no idea what this wood is made out of. This is a table that I was given. It is old. You can see down here we have cast iron legs. It's got cast iron pipe running across. This thing's a beast from top to bottom. I can hammer full on onto this thing and it probably won't move. The disadvantage is that it is not as sturdy side to side. So I'm gonna attach it to the wall. You can see electrical, and you can see that big old gray wire. Yeah, that is 220 50 amp electrical line that I ran. I also have electrical lines across the ceiling. You can see some, see? Electrical lines across the ceiling that I've added. I haven't wired this room yet. That is just a shed, and I ran out of wire before I could wire that. So that's the improvements. What's going on, what's next in the improvement arena is obviously finish up this table, get that cleaned up. I have all kinds of mess around that I have to clean up. And then this room should be basically finished. Oh yeah, wood rack. I had to build that because I had to take all of the floor planks, not just what I wanted, and the rest of them are in there, which as you can tell is a little messy. So that's what I've been doing. And I really hope that you guys had a great year. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded more. I didn't think you wanted to see shop improvements done by a rank amateur. Yeah, because don't learn from me for shop improvements. I don't really know what I'm doing for any of this, really. So yeah, if you want to find me on Instagram, that's great. If you want to like and subscribe, if you're not a subscriber, that would be awesome. I do believe I have a Patreon link down below and a donation link down below. So yeah, I hope you had fun, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Bye.